good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from, guys. How you guys doing? Man, guys, I don't want to talk too much. I just want you guys to watch this video and tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. Like and share this video. Follow for more.
No, it can't be.
God
So why don't you
bless.
go to your actual seat?
What?
Why don't you grab your things and go to your seat?
My seat is right there, right next to you.
It cannot be.
Excuse
It
me, can I
cannot
get
be.
to my seat?
No, that cannot be your seat because obviously you fly economy.
Oh,
Yeah.
obviously I fly economy.
Yes, wearing these clothes. Yes, obviously you fly economy.
Gotcha. You know what?
Mm.
I'm just gonna forget you said that. And I'm gonna sit down and take a nap.
Yeah, you will sit down in your seat.
Right.
Which
My
is
seat
right
is
there.
right